Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LRC. In today's video, I would like to show you this huge breakout that has already happened on the weekly time frame chart from this big falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to share with you this recent formation of the down channel that has been formed on the daily time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my last successful trade signal for LRC that I shared with my members on 25th of Feb 2023. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that LRC was completing on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped down, completed the leg here, but slightly dropped down than this potential reversals on here, but recovered very soon. Then we had almost 47% pump on this daily time frame chart. Now let's move to this daily live time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line is moving inside this down channel since we have found the support of this down channel on 12th of April 2023. And we have several bounces from the support and several ejections by the resistance as well. By the way, you can see we are testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore, eventually the price line can break out the resistance of the channel. This time, if the price line starts the reversal move from the support, then it can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere approximately at 26 cents. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out the resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern. You can see we were moving inside this falling wedge pattern since after November 2021, and we broke out here in the month of January 2023, but formed a double top here at this resistance of 47.5 cents. This is, by the way, a quite long-term resistance, and you can see it is coming all the way from here back in October 2017 when we had this long spike, the price and got rejected, and here it worked as a support, here as a resistance, and then again here for several weeks it has been working as a support, resistance, and here again when we had this rally after the month of January 2023, we broke out the resistance of the wedge, but could not continue this move to the upside due to this long-term resistance of 47.5 cents. And again, moved down, tested the support of 30 cents, moved up and formed a double top. And now the price line is moving towards this next long-term support of 18 cents. And if we take a look at the previous history of this support, then previously here it was working as a support back in November 2017. And after that, here it was working as a resistance in July 2020. And here we formed a double bottom here in this support in the month of July 2021. And here it also worked as a support. There is also a formation of an inverse head and shoulder pattern on this weekly time frame chart as well. Here you can see we have the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder formation. And until or unless the price line will not form another lower than the previous low of head, then this head and shoulder pattern is valid. And if we take a look at the target, once it will be able to break out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the neckline is here. Then the target will be approximately at $1.22. And the target, once the price line will be able to break out this down channel, is here at approximately 37.5 cents. And if the price line moves at 37.5 cents, then it can also break out this resistance of 30 cents as well. And then it can move up to break out the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And by the way, the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.